I really like drinks that feel a bit nostalgic, a bit kitsch.
I like coffee, chocolate, and I like rich flavors.
I'm from Barbados, so anything tropical is incredible.
I like a slow drink, something that feels quite exciting.
It's got to look good.
It's got to look good.
Whatever is authentic to you is effortlessly stylish. This is my twist on a classic martini cocktail. 2 parts of Grey Goose, Bianco vermouth, 1 spoonful of hibiscus syrup. And then we're gonna go in with lots of ice. I absolutely love hibiscus. In my grandmother's garden, there's lots of hibiscus flowers. Now we're gonna stir. Gorgeous. And then you're gonna take your strainer and put our drink into this gorgeous glass. Now we're gonna garnish. This is my favorite part. So we're gonna take some lemon peel here, and then we're gonna take a sprig of rosemary. We're gonna torch this so that we can get all of the aromatics out of it. This is really gonna impress your friends if you do this at home. That's amazing. The hibiscus is gorgeous.
We own interiors brand Poudre Blonde.
Managing Director, Creative Director and CEO. We love interiors that make you feel like you're living in a movie set.
I don't like to overthink things. I just like to be in the moment, enjoy it, appreciate it.
Today we're going to show you our favourite martini cocktails.
We're going to start with the same base and then we're going to show you our own twist on a martini.
First up, some Grey Goose vodka. Pineapple-infused dry vermouth, very delish. Right, that's my bit.
Okay, it's my turn. I really enjoy a long cocktail, energetic, flavoursome.
Fruity.
Fruity. You're going to stir for a long time.
Yes, boss.
For my cocktail, I'm going to add some ginger ale and a bit more ice. And I'm going to garnish mine with some pineapple and a glazed cherry.
Can I just say, I think our outfits are perfect cocktail making outfits. Professional. The finishing touch. A lovely little dash of gold edible stars. And there we go.
Lovely. Cheers.
The glittery rim doubles up as lip gloss.
Yeah, I see it.
It's like a win-win.
I would like my martini to stand for something that we haven't tried before, something sexy, full of flavor and rich. My coffee cake martini cocktail is a twist of a classic espresso martini. To start, we're gonna put some vodka, a chocolate liqueur and a shot of espresso. It's really important to use quality ingredients. So we're gonna add ice. To get a good crema, we're gonna shake it really well. Wow, look at that. To keep it simple, you can just add some chocolate flakes or you can just add some coffee beans. Cheers.